Samido niatigite andu makenete muno nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria na oho magegete muno. Samido niakorwo agika giko kia magegania muno kuri Eden Nderitu na this was on social media. Muthenya wa umuthi Eden Nderitu niakorirwo akiumbura ndeto ciegie her childhood. Ide agishare a bit of her childhood uria akorirwo akirerwo na akorwo akiumbura atike areretwo ni her grandparents, her shosho and her guka nio mamurerete, but sadly they passed away. No Ide akorirwo akiheana karugano gaka as a throwback story, akiririkania kuria aumite as a young girl. Na later on niguo Samido akorirwo agika giko kia magegania muno kiria kia attracted so much attention, andu makiuga ni akenu muno ni giko giki gia Samido. Na Ide had shared this agikiuga, leo being throwback Thursday, tujikumbushe our back in the days experience. First and foremost, I was raised by my grandparents, and one early morning as I was headed to school, by then I was in nursery, I bumped into one of my friends chilling on the road. My friend asked me that we should wait for our other friend twende shule pamoja. Nikaingia box yake tumgoje. Kumbe she was lying, hakuwa anataka kwenda shule. Ghafla bin vu tukichill, my grandfather appeared from nowhere, and let me tell you Maina, ile kichapo nilipata ndio kama ni kichapo cha umbwa. The beating is still fresh in my mind, but all in all, I still love you Guka na Shosh and appreciate you for raising this strong woman that I have become. Continue resting in peace. Experience yako ya nursery school ni gani? Na Ide akorwo agishare bisha ino with her grandparents ni woyo haha as a young girl. Na Ide sharing a bit of her past. Na in the comment section, guess who showed up? Samido himself akorwo akigira comment section ine ya Eden Nderitu and responded to Eden Nderitu, dropping this text here. Akiariria Eden Nderitu oho akimushogotha akimwira ati, and having known you, I'm sure ni wewe ulimuita on your side. Samido akiaririria karugano gaka Eden Nderitu eukoretwo aheana guku arauga ati one morning on her way to school ati she met a friend of hers uria wakorirwo akimwira ati meterere murata ungi wao nigetha magithianie cukuru hamwe. Na Samido agakiuga ati knowing Eden Nderitu, he is certain ati Eden niwe werire murata ucio ati meterere murata ucio ungi wao wa gatatu nigetha magithianie cukuru, as opposed to what Ede is trying to say ati the friend was the one who stopped her. Ede is the one who stopped that friend, Samido agikiuga. Na mafans after joining the dots ni makiuga ati karugano gaka maraheana, it must be them. Hatiri na gaja ati nio meciana, it's a memory of them as kids. Na ni Ide wakorwo agishare ndumiriri kana this story here iria Samido acoka gukorwo akiyumiria na gukorwo onake akirespond undu wake ni mafans muno. Moso team Ide magikiuga ni makena muno kuona Samido for the first time, aikiuga matire makimwona ringi agikorwo akiingira comment section ine ya Eden Nderitu and responding na gukorwo akiariria Eden Nderitu in her own post kana on her own social media pages, na magakiuga riu ni akenu muno. Ndugakiriganirwo gu subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.